This is a rollover crash test. It takes place in BMW's newest safety facility, one designed to test BMWs equipped with rollover sensors. In the US, rollover testing is not required by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration.
So the question is, why is BMW performing rollover test when it's not required from any government worldwide? Well, the answer is simple. It just fits to our BMW safety philosophy.
BMW focuses on 3 tests at the new facility.
One is the corkscrew, the other is a sand pit, and the last is the embankment test.
To simulate a ramp-induced rollover, which can occur when a vehicle is pushed into a barrier, the engineers use the corkscrew test. The sand pit test simulates what can happen when a vehicle slides sideways off the road. For the third test, the engineers built a steep ramp to simulate an embankment or ditch. The advanced safety design of the new X6 Sports Activity Coupe underwent extensive testing in the new rollover facility.
In the X6 passenger compartment, we used high-strength and ultra-high-strength steel at strategic points such as the lower B-pillar, the door sills, and reinforcement inside the doors.
The X6 includes a rollover sensor system that can analyze angular rate and angular acceleration in order to deploy the head protection system and seatbelt pretensioners if a rollover is imminent.
There
are
special sensors in the X6. The front sensors to detect a frontal impact earlier, the pressure sensors in the doors to detect a side impact at a very early stage, and a rollover sensor to detect the various types of rollover.
In the embankment test, the X6 proved to be one of the more challenging vehicles to test.
The purpose at this facility is the rollover, so we want to make the vehicles roll. But this is not too easy every time. For example, with the X6, it's very difficult. It has a wide track, it's quite high, but the center of gravity is very, very low. So it's a challenge to make the vehicle roll.
Technicians increased the steepness of the ramp and installed a steering robot in the test vehicle to induce it to roll for the test. Not only do these unmandated tests underline BMW's commitment to safety leadership, they also produce valuable data for the engineers' continuous development of advanced new systems.